In this video, I'm going to go over how to make a pie chart in Excel. So I'm using Excel 2010. If you have a different version, it might look a little different, but as far as steps go, it should be pretty much the same. So let's take a look here. First thing you'll want to do is make sure you have some data in here to make your chart from. And so whatever you're working with, whatever you're using, you'll want to enter that information into a nice little table of some sort and put that in there. And then making a pie chart is super easy. All I need to do is to select that data in my table right there, and I will go to the Insert tab right up here at the top. And we can see right here, it gives me all kinds of options for charts. We want a pie chart, and so that one's right here. If I click on that, I get some different options. If I click on all chart types, I get even more options for different things. Here's all my pie chart ones. And I can pick any one I want. Let's say we just want a basic pie chart. I select that, hit OK. Here's my pie chart. Looks great. Well, maybe I want to make a few changes to this. So notice it filled in some things for me because I had selected my entire table, including this hours and these categories here. It filled in those labels for me, right? Here's hours up here. Here's my different labels down here. And so that's super nice. I recommend doing that. If you want to have a title, if you want those labels filled in, just make sure they're selected in your table when you make your chart, and they'll show up right there automatically. Some other things I might want are my numbers over here on my chart, right? It's kind of blank right now. If I right click on my chart, I bring up this dialog box and we can make some changes to this. And so the first one right here, add data labels. Okay, I'm going to click on that and see that adds those numbers right from my table right there onto my chart. That's kind of handy to have those. It might be good to see the numbers. Well, what if I don't necessarily want those numbers? I can make some changes to that. If I go right click again, format my data labels right here, then I can change what it's showing. Maybe I'd rather have the percentage instead of that value showing up on there. And maybe I want to have my category name or something showing up. Select those instead, and now I can see my category names and my percentages for each of those categories on there. So you can kind of format those however you want those. And there are some other things you can do with that. This is just basic. Here's a pie chart. That's how we get it in there. All right.